5-micron sediment filter, just removing dust, sand, and rust. And the second filters, it's 2-stage. It's charcoal carbon, and the next one, it's catalytic carbon. Charcoal carbon removing chlorine and organic stuff out of the water, and the catalytic carbon removing heavy metal, removing ammonia and chloramine out of the water. Especially in this area, I have a lot of chloramine, Pacific Palisades, and north of Santa Monica. And the third stage has charcoal carbon, keep removing chlorine, and KDF 55, removing heavy metals and bacteria, and the water going through the tubing up to the upper filter. These filters, the Made in USA filters, that says Made in USA, it's a reverse osmosis filter, the membrane filter, removing any object out of the water very efficiently, up to 99%, removing almost all objects to a 0.0001 micron, basically distilled water. And after the water leaving these filters, it's basically very clean but dead water. And the next stage, it's the Ultra Pi alkaline filter that basically has all those wonderful mineral beads inside, that's generating 74 trace of minerals to the water. So the water traveling very, very slow, observing all the minerals inside this filter. And from this filter, it's going to a reservation tanks. The reservation tanks we will install and put in this cabinet in the back. So it's going to be, in a way, not going to be interfere with anything. And all the water going to be stored in a tank. And every time you're going to open the spigot, and actually it's a pressurized tank. Every time you're going to open the spigot and actually call the water going to come from the tank, because the pressure in the tank going to come from the tank up. Going to go to a final coconut shell carbon filter that's removing smell and improving the taste, making the taste a little sweeter, and going through the faucet. So the water going to shoot from the tank, going to the filters, going to the spigot.
Sounds great.
Okay, that's it.
Why does chloramine have high levels here?
They keep adding a lot of different objects to preserve the water, and chloramine creating from all those chemicals they put. And so they find out 3 years ago that in Pacific Palisades they find out that high amount of chloramine in the water that's creating from the chemical DWP putting in the water to preserve the water, not to hurt us, and it's creating a lot of chloramine and ammonia higher level than it should be.